Good afternoon, all.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. So, in the last class, we have learned about alignment. Which are the 4 types of alignment?
Left alignment, center alignment, right alignment, and
Okay, you have to answer to my question. Ask yes or no. Is that clear?
Yes.
If yes, say yes. If no,
Yes.
so my first question is that, is there any alignment having name center?
yes, center alignment.
Okay, so let's okay, I will be asking this question in the form of competition, okay, between girls and boys. So my first question is for boys team. Is there an alignment which is having the name paragraph? Boys, yes or no? Is there any alignment which is having the name?
Again, can you tell the question again?
Okay, you have to say only yes or no. Okay, so this question is for boys. Girls, you just be quiet. So I will repeat the question once again. Is there any alignment which is having the name paragraph?
No. No.
You are?
No.
Okay,
Yes,
1 point for the boys team. Okay, next question is for the girls team. Is there any alignment which is having the name Blackie?
No.
No. Okay. So next question is for girls. So now it is 1-1. So next question is for the boys team. There are 4 types of alignment. Is it true or false?
False.
True.
True.
You did not study.
True.
Or false? Yes.
True.
Okay. So 2 points for the boy team. Girls. What is the name of the group that we are currently learning about? Name of the group. The chapter's name. Girls, only girls. Boys, is it paragraph? Are you sure? Are you sure? Girls? Okay, done. That is true. Okay, very good, very good. Okay, is that clear for all? So 2-2. Okay, and if your video is off, your team's mark will be reduced. Okay, boys and girls, Jiva, Vaishnav, and Maria, Steny. Yeah, I'm going to count. Okay, Sahil. Okay, so we are going to continue with the portion. And once again, I want to repeat that. Please mute your mic unless I call you. Shall we continue?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So yesterday, or which means that in the previous class, we have learned the shortcut keys, isn't it? For left alignment, it is Control plus E. For right, it is Control plus R. And for justify, it is Control plus J. So today we are going to learn about line spacing. So this question is for this question is to the boys team. Boys, what is the meaning of line spacing?
Spacing the line.
Making space for the line.
Okay, is there any space between my hands?
Yes, ma'am.
What about now? Space is reduced.
Yes.
Reduced. What about this?
Yeah. So many spaces.
Increased. Space is increased, right?
Yes.
Now
No space.
space is decreased. Now it is increased. Like that. When line spacing means it determines the space between lines. So what is line spacing? All of you take your rough book and write the spelling of line spacing. It is LINESPACING. So what is line spacing? Determines the distance between the lines of a paragraph. Okay, whenever you go through your notes, whenever you go through your text, you can see space between the lines. That space between the lines is known as line spacing. Okay?
Line spacing.
Yes. So line spacing is used to adjust the gap between the lines. So line spacing is used to adjust the gap between the lines. Okay. So it determines the distance between the lines of a paragraph. So in this now today we are going to learn about line spacing. Okay. So all of you please write down the spelling of line spacing. You all are familiar with the spelling line. It is LINE. And what is the spelling of spacing? It is SPACING. Okay. No need to write the sentence. You have to only write the spelling of line spacing. Jyoti, is it over? If yes, show me thumbs up. Show me thumbs up. You have not written, right? Yes, right? Line spacing. L-I-N-E-S-P-A-C-I-N-G. So, is there any line spacing between these two lines? Is there any space between these lines?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Here you can see the space. Here you can see the space, right? So, line spacing, it determines the distance between the lines of a paragraph. So, moving to the next slide. Okay, is there any space between the lines?
Yes.
Yes. Here you can see the space. Here you can see the space. Here you can see the space. So this is an example for the line spacing. And here, see. So this distance between the lines is known as
In spacing.
very good. So in other words, we can say that what we can say that line spacing is used to adjust the gap between the lines. All of you, please write down the spelling of leading. So the line spacing is measured in lines or points, which is referred to as line spacing. So from now onwards, I will be using leading instead of line spacing. Okay, instead of the word line spacing, I will be using the word leading. All of you take your rough work and write down the spelling of leading. So line spacing is measured in lines or points, which is referred to as leading. What will happen if we reduce the distance or if we reduce the leading? What will happen? What will happen if we reduce the...
Bring the lines of text close together.
Okay, what happens if we increase the line spacing?
Bring the lines of text far away.
Means that the readability of our document will be increased, isn't it? Yes. So we can reduce the leading, which means that the lines of the text will come closer. Okay. Just like our hand. If I reduce the gap, my hand will come closer. Isn't it? Yeah, I will share the book. See, if I reduce the gap, what will happen? My hands will come closer. If I increase the space, what will happen? It will go? It will go?
No.
It will go what? Will it fly?
No.
It will go far. Isn't it?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. Okay. So, all of you please note down the spelling of leading. It is L-E-A-D-I-N-G. Leading. L-E-A-D-I-N-G. Okay. Those who have written, please learn the spelling of these words, because don't forget about the competition. Okay. Yes. So moving to the next slide. If we want to increase the space, what we have to do? This is the command for that. Okay. Here you can see different options from where you can choose the number that you want to increase. So others, those are using computer or lab, please be ready with the paragraph. Yes. So if you want to increase the space, this is the command we have to use to increase the space. Other than that, we can also use this option, line spacing option. Okay. So who is going to show me the space, or who is going to show me the practical? Please raise your hand. Yes, who is going to show me the practical? As Shiva Shankaran is raising for a long time. Shiva Shankaran, are you ready with the paragraph? Okay, type fast.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Abigail, are you ready with the paragraph? If yes, show me thumbs up. Okay.
And what should I type?
You just type a paragraph, a story, small story, or you just write about yourself. Okay, we can also do in the phone. Yes, Abigail. Others, those who are using phone, they can also do. Take your phone, download Word, and be ready with our lines. Ready with few lines. Yes, Abigail, are you ready with the paragraph?
Yes.
Okay, share the screen. You're using phone. Are you using phone?
Yes, but
Okay, wait. I want the one who is using computer.
me, ma'am. I have laptop.
Okay, You are going to show in laptop?
Yes, I will show the back camera and can
Okay, okay. Show. Those are using computer, please be ready with the paragraph. Yes. See on the screen. Select that. Yes, we can download, my dear. I didn't. Yes, select that text. Or if you look at the screen, select that text. First, select the first 2 lines. Select, my dear. First, you select that text. We are not able to see properly. Can you just join through lab? Yes. You just select first 2 lines. My name is Abigail and I am 10 years old. First, you just select that 2 lines. First 2 lines. Yes. Okay, select. I know that it is difficult for you to show by holding the phone in one hand. Yes, but we are not able to see properly, my dear. Select 2 lines. Yes, first you just select 2 lines, first 2 lines. Place the cursor in the beginning of the sentence, then drag it till old. Okay, Abigail, I think it will be difficult for you to do. You are not able to do that. Anyway, we are moving to another student. Who, is there anyone who is using a computer? Please raise your hand. Yes. Yes.
Ma'am, can I join my laptop?
Yeah, you just join through laptop. Yes, Aditya. Yeah. Share. Yeah, share the screen. Take Word and share the screen. Yes, type 2 sentence about yourself. Yeah, my name is. Those who want to show the practical, please be ready with 2 sentences, 2 or 3 sentences or with a paragraph. Yes, my name is. See, your name should start with a capital letter. Okay, so M should be capital. Yeah, M should be capital. M. Yes, Meenakshi. After each sentence, you have to put full stop, Meenakshi. You don't know that general thing? Yeah. Okay. Then type the next sentence. There are?
Ma'am.
Yeah. There are 4 members. How many members are there? There are 4 members in my family. Type that. Type fast. So, Suvrit, please be ready with your phone. In my family. In. Type fast. In my family. Put full stop. Family. Family. Put full stop. Family. It is correct. Family. Yeah. Put full stop. Now select that. Select the 2 sentence.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. All of you look on the screen. Yes. Now in the paragraph group, there you can see the arrow. Okay. Paragraph group. That is phone paragraph group. Yes. There you can see one arrow. Go to the paragraph group. No. Come to the right side. Come to the right. Yes. There you can see. Yes. The previous one. Meenakshi. Yes. Yes, move to the left side, left, little bit left, little bit. Yes, there you just click there. No, after justify alignment. Move to the right side, right. Not the alignment. We are just discussing about line spacing. Yeah, after yes, press that arrow. Yes, choose 2.5, choose 2.5, 2.5, down. Choose 2.5. Yes, see, the space has been increasing, isn't it? Meenakshi, choose that option once again. Choose that command once again. Yes, choose that command once again. Meenakshi, choose that command for line spacing. Yes, now, yes, choose 1. Choose 1.0. First, you just select the text. The first thing that you have to do is that first you just select the text. Meenakshi, select the text once again. Yes. Now, go to that command. Yes. Okay, choose 1 point. First one. Yes. Press that. See, the space has been decreased. Thank you, Meenakshi, for sharing the screen. This is how you can reduce or increase the space. Thank you, Meenakshi. So now, next, who's the one? Yes, Abigail, share the screen. Those who are using phone, they can also do. Take your phone, download Word. Yes, share the screen, my dear.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Those who want to do the practical, please be ready with few sentences. Share the screen, my dear.
Can you see?
No, you have not shared the screen. Share the screen. Now select the first 2 lines. Now go to the paragraph group. There you can see the command. Yes, press that. Okay, see, the space has been, the leading is decreasing, isn't it? Now choose another option. Yes, choose 3.0. Yes, see, the space is increasing. Okay, now go to line spacing option. Now we are going to discuss about the second method. When you click that, yes, there you can see line spacing option. Click that. Yes, there you can see line spacing option. Down, come down, little bit down. Yes, there you can see line spacing option. Press that. Yes, little bit up. Yes, there. Press on that arrow. Yes. Now, if you want, you can choose any option. Okay. You can choose 1.5 lines. If you choose that, it will, yes. Choose 1.5 lines. Okay. Now go to, okay. Press okay. Now you can see the difference. Okay. This is how you can increase or decrease the leading. Very good. Thank you for sharing the screen, Abigail. Yes, thank you. Yes, thank you. You can stop sharing the screen. Very good. Okay, so now we are moving to the next topic, that is, you have seen how we can increase the space. Okay, this is the second method we have seen. If you press that, we can increase or decrease the leading. Now we are going to discuss about paragraph spacing. So what do you mean by paragraph spacing? Do you have any idea? This question is for girls team. What do you mean by paragraph spacing? Girls.
Making paragraph arrange.
Yes.
Making paragraph arrange.
That line spacing means the spacing between the lines. So what do you mean by paragraph spacing? Which means that spacing
between paragraph.
Yes, it means that if we want a space between paragraph, we can choose this option. So let's see how we can space or how we can increase or decrease the space between the paragraph. Is there, how many paragraphs are there? This question is for boys team. How many paragraphs are there in this figure?
Ma'am, I can see the board.
Ma'am, 3.
3. I think you are facing some network issue. There are 3 paragraphs.
3.
2, 3. Is there space between this paragraph? See, this is there is a space, there is a small space, isn't it? So this is
yes.
So So if you want to increase the space between the paragraph, here you can see the option in the paragraph group, add space before the paragraph, or you can just simply press the paragraph dialog launcher, from where you will get this option. If you want to increase the space before the paragraph, after the paragraph, after choosing that option, you can click OK. This is the method through which you can increase the space between the paragraphs. So here you can see before the paragraph, and down you can see the space after the paragraph. Other than that, you can see space between the lines. Okay. So who is going to show me the practical? Please raise your hand. Let me check. Okay, Arthur, share the screen. Jenny, wait. I know that you are eagerly waiting for that. Yes. Okay. Select the text. Select the line. Arthur, first you just select the line. Select the para. Type 2 paragraphs. Arthur, you have only one paragraph. Am I audible to you? Arthur, am I audible? Arthur? Arthur, am I audible?
Yes.
See, you just, okay, come to the first line. My name is Arthur and I am the student of Dr. Raju Davis International School, Mala. After that full stop, you just press enter key. After Mala, you just press enter key.
Okay.
After full stop, yes, place the cursor there. Press enter key. After Mala full stop, place enter, yes, place after full stop, yes. Place the cursor. Yes, now press enter key. Place the cursor, click on there. After full stop, press there. Yes, press enter key. In the keyboard, there is a key. Yes, press one more time, press that. Yes, now come to the sentence, my father's name is. Before M, place the cursor. Before M, yes, there. Yes, after that full stop, place the cursor. Now press enter key. One more time. So now there are 3 paragraphs. Okay. So select the 3 paragraphs. Or you just select second line. Select second line. Yeah, I am 9 years old. Select that line. Yes, select that line. I am 9 years old. No, select. First you just place the cursor before I. First you just place the cursor before I and drag the mouse till mum drop. Yes. Okay. Now go to the paragraph group. No, only you have to select that particular line. Only you have to select that particular line. No need of the third line. Yes. Place the cursor before I.
Yeah. Ma'am, it is going.
Okay. Yeah. Come slowly. Yes, stop. Now come to the home tab. Yes.
You should click
Press
on
that.
it.
We are not able to. Yes. Now you can see paragraph.
Okay.
Yes. Yes. Click that. Click that arrow. Yeah. Click that arrow. Yes. Come. Choose that option, line spacing option, or add space before. Press add space. Okay.
Ma'am, I took that.
Okay. No problem. There you can see the option spacing. There you can see the option spacing down.
Indents.
Down. Come down. Yes, there you can see the option spacing. Come little bit up. Come little bit up. Up. Move to the left side. Move to the left side. Left. Which is your left, Arthur? Yes. Down. There you can see the option spacing. Down. Little bit down. Yes. Very good. There you can see the option before. Increase the size. If you want to, yes, increase the space before the paragraph. You have to choose that. Yes, very good. In the preview, you can see the difference. Now click OK. Now click OK. Now you can see the space. See, the space has been increased, isn't it? We have added the space before the paragraph. Okay, if you want to add the space after the paragraph, what we have to do first, we have to select the paragraph. Arthur, go to the paragraph group. Not that one. You just press that arrow down near to the paragraph. That is known as paragraph launcher, dialogue launcher. No, come down, come down. No, not that one. Yes, come down. Go to the paragraph group. Go to the paragraph group. Yes, down you can see one arrow. Move a little bit
This
right.
one?
Move to a little bit right. No, you just see the word paragraph.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, there you can see small. Yes, click that. That is known as, yes. There you can see, if you want to add the space after, yes, in the spacing, choose after option, increase the size. Yes, increase the size. Yes, very good. Now click OK. Now you can see the space between the second line and the third line. Very good. This is how you can increase the space between the second, between the paragraph. Is that clear for all?
Can do on tab also.
Yes, we can do. We can also do. Okay. We can also do. So is that clear? If yes, show me thumbs up. Yes. Clear? Is it very easy? Is it very easy? Yes. Okay. Those are having phone also, please be ready. Okay. To show this. So we are moving to the last topic of this chapter. That is indentation. So do you know, voice team, do you know what is that? Okay. It determines the distance of the paragraph from either left or right margin. If you want to increase the space of the paragraph from with respect to the left or right margin, that is known as indentation. So all of you take your rough book and write the spelling of this. So within this margin, we can increase or decrease the space of the paragraph or group of paragraph. Okay, so this is the option. Okay, if you want to increase the space, you will use this option. If you want to decrease the space, you will use this option. Okay, if you want to increase the space, you will use this option. And if you want to decrease the space, you will use this option. So indentation means it determines the distance of the paragraph from either left or right margin. If you want to increase or decrease the space of the paragraph with respect to the left or right margin, we will use this option. Okay, so all of you please try the spelling of this indentation, which means that it is to increase or decrease the space between with respect to the left and right margin. I didn't write the spelling. Okay, now here you can see the option for that. When you click this paragraph dialog box launcher, here you can see the option indentation through which we can increase or decrease. Okay, you can choose this option. You can also choose this option. By choosing this option, you can see the difference. So who is going to show me the practical of this? So raise your hand. Okay. Steny, did you got the chance? No. Naitik, first you just show me. After that, Steny, please be ready. All of you, please learn the spelling. Learn the spelling. Yes, Naitik, share the screen.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am?
Yes, okay. Now select the text. First, you just select whole text that I have typed. From dear till day. Okay, now go to the home. In the paragraph group, there you can see, go to the launcher, a dialog box. There you can see small arrow. Down, 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 near to the paragraph group, near to the paragraph. The written word, little bit down, that small arrow. No, yes, go to the left side, left. Other than that, you just, there is an arrow on the paragraph group at the top. No. Select the text once again. Naitik, select that. Okay. Go to the paragraph group. Go to the home tab. First, you just select the first Naitik, cool down. Select the text properly. Select from dear day, dear till day. Okay. Go to the home tab. Yes. Now in the paragraph group, there you can see arrow on the top row. Paragraph group, go to the that is styles group. Go to the paragraph group. Yes, go above, go up. That is font group, my dear. Go to the paragraph group. Paragraph, yes, there on the top. Go to the top. Yes, click that arrow. No. Fourth one. That is second one, third, fourth. Yes, click that. Yes, click. Keep on clicking. So if you want to decrease, this is the indent option, and choose the next one. This is to increase. Okay. And in the paragraph, you can see the word paragraph there. There near to that, you can see an arrow. Yes, this is the option command for increasing the intent. This is for decreasing the indentation. Okay, now I think listen to me carefully. In the paragraph group, you can see a word paragraph written in the group, isn't it? There you can see a small arrow. Click that.
This.
Yeah, small. No. Come down, little bit down, down. Down. Yes, there you can see a small arrow. Yes, click that. Yes, there you can see indentation, isn't it? Yes? Yes. There in the special, come to the special option. If you want, you can increase left or right. You just increase the space. Yes, the distance of the number. Yes, left. Increase that. You're decreasing. Press the above arrow. Yes, yes, press. Keep on pressing. Yes, keep on pressing. Yes, keep on pressing. See, all of you others, please look at the preview. There, it has been changing down. Okay? Yes, very good. Now click OK. Now click OK. Yes, see the difference. Very good. This is how you can increase. Okay. If you want to decrease the indentation, you can use the below arrow. Very good. Nothing. So in the next class, all have to be ready to show me the practical related to this. Those who are using computer and lab. Is that clear for all? Yes. Is the topic clear?
Yes.
How is it? Is it super? Is it that? Yes, super. So I know that you all are eagerly waiting. Yes, you all are waiting for your chance. So in the next class, you will get the chance. Okay. That's all for today. Bye. Thank you.
Bye.